You know why most teams hate lean? Because they've only ever seen the worst version of it. Spreadsheets, labels, endless meetings, and extra work, all in the name of continuous improvement. Let's be honest, your team doesn't hate lean. They hate being told to do dumb shit that makes their day harder. But what if lean actually made life easier? What if it killed frustration instead of causing more? Stick around because we're fixing lean's reputation right now. Not with theory, with results. Welcome to Lazy Lean, where we eliminate frustration, not just waste. Today's topic, why your team hates lean and how to fix it. We're not here for corporate theater. We're here to build systems that actually work. In this video, you'll learn why teams resist lean, a no BS framework to earn buy-in, real tools you can apply in any business, common traps that sabotage progress, and how to make your process so smooth it feels like cheating. By the end of this video, you won't just be able to understand lean, you'll be able to use it. So why do teams hate lean? Here's the hard truth. Your team doesn't trust lean. And honestly, they're not wrong. Because here's how lean is usually introduced. Top-down orders from someone who's never done the job, wall charts filled with meaningless KPIs, and 5S audits that feel like performance reviews. Kaizen events where nothing actually changes, and value stream maps printed in Comic Sans. People go through the motions until the next flavor of the month program rolls in. That's not lean. That's bureaucracy with a bunch of Japanese vocabulary. Real lean starts by removing pain. It doesn't start with a laminated poster. Here's your rule of thumb. If the process improvement makes life harder for the people doing the work, it's not lean, it's cosplay. So what should lean actually look like? It should feel like relief. It should feel like, finally, someone listened. Why didn't we do that years ago? And this job just got way easier. So let's break it down with the 5 lean principles from the actual Toyota model. Define value from the customer's perspective, not your boss's, the customer. What are they willing to pay for? Map the value stream. See every step, including the ones that waste time. Create flow. Make work move smoothly with minimal interruptions. Establish pull. Only do what's needed when it's needed. And finally, pursuing perfection. Continuous, constant improvement. You'll never actually get to perfection. If that's your goal, those little improvements every day will get you one step closer. Lean is about flow and focus. It's about putting tools where they're needed, information when it's needed, and removing anything that creates delay, confusion, or second guessing. Real lean is fixing the drawer that jammed every morning, the form that no one needs, the extra screens you have to click through every time you want a label printed. Real lean is quiet, obvious, and respected because it works. Let's go step by step on how to get your team to actually care. Step 1, start with pain. Ask one question. What drives you nuts around here? Then shut up. Don't explain. Don't defend. Just listen. Those answers, those are gold. And that's what lean should fix. Step 2, go to the Gemba. Gemba means the actual place. Not your office, not the break room, not a meeting room, the floor. You'll learn more watching someone do a task than you will from any spreadsheet. Look for movement, waiting, confusion, backtracking, rework, all of which are waste. Run a Gemba stand. That's step 3. A Gemba stand is a 10-minute stand-up huddle where the work actually happens. Ask, what went well this week? What sucked? And what's one thing we can fix together? Step 4 is to map the real process. Use sticky notes on a whiteboard. Don't overthink it. Ask the people doing the job to show how it really works. You may have an idea of how it works, but when you go out to the floor, you're going to find out your idea of how it really works is completely wrong or missing a lot of important parts. Ask the people doing the job to show you the gaps. Those are your wastes. And look for the 8 classic wastes. Defects, errors that need rework, overproduction, making more than we need, waiting, delays between steps, underutilized talent, smart people stuck doing dumb stuff. So think of it, you've got transportation and you've got motion. Transportation is the unnecessary movement of stuff. Motion is the unnecessary movement of people. So if you're moving too many goods around for no reason, that's your transportation waste. If people are moving around for no good reason, that's your motion waste. Inventory, when you've got extra materials and extra processing, doing more than necessary. Step 5 is fix one pain point fast. Find the low-hanging fruit. Don't build a committee. Do not put a team together. Find one thing and fix it. That's it. The faster, the cheaper, the better. Got a tool holder that's a little loose? Screw it in. Let someone own that fix, even if they're brand new. Let them present it, tweak it, and improve it. Let them own it. They're going to make sure that whatever was going on beforehand won't happen again. This builds pride and ownership, not paperwork. So step 7, rinse and repeat. Every week, tackle one new issue. Keep the momentum. This is culture shift. Log the wins, show the progress, make a big deal out of the little victories. Now let me show you lean in the wild. My Keurig coffee maker was great, but that water tank was always empty. 3 cups and it's yelling at me. So I fixed it. Drilled a hole in the lid, ran a line from the fridge, and added a float valve. Now it refills automatically. No more interruptions. Here's the kicker. It wasn't about coffee. It was about interruptions. Lean hates anything that breaks flow. So I removed one. That's a lean mindset. Small, permanent fix to remove recurring frustration. It's not fancy. It just works. Metrics matter, but only if they help. Don't track crap just to fill reports. Ask yourself, would the team care about this if leadership didn't ask? Here are better metrics. How long does it take to complete a task? How many handoffs are there? How many times do people actually touch this? How much time is wasted waiting on a part, tool, or a sign-off? How many "where was it" questions did you have? Make those metrics visual. Use scoreboards. Add an issue tracking log, and every time a problem is fixed, add it to the wall. Add it to your celebration. Make a big deal about it. This shifts the narrative from problems to improvements. Lean isn't just for factories. If you have processes, you can use lean. In retail, place your best sellers within arm's reach. Refill the high movers first. Have 2-minute cleanups to reset the area. Use autoresponders. Use Kanban boards to track work in progress. Workshops. Color code your fluid and tools and label the tools. Have first grab bins for each type of job. Use first grab bins for each type of job so that you know I'm doing an oil change. I need this set. I'm doing a tire rotation. I need this set. Keep it simple. And use shadow boards to reduce motion waste. A place for everything and everything in its place. A shadow board gives everything a place. Put it there. Keep it there. At home, label kitchen containers. Put backup items near point of use. Trash bags under the sink or in the garbage can. Visual timers for kids' chores. Lean works wherever frustration exists. And then have your win wall. Log every improvement and put it on the win wall. Celebrate. Make the team proud of their little accomplishments, their little improvements, because it gets them looking for the next one. It gets them hunting, thinking. And that's what you want. You want your people out there thinking about how can we make this better. And do something silly like a Fix It Friday. End every week by fixing one dumb thing. And celebrate those that made it better. Celebrate the employees that came to you with ideas for improvement. And tell a story. No one wants to look at a PowerPoint presentation of a before and after picture. Tell the story. Every time someone shares their story, it could help solve another problem. And that's how legends and culture get built. Don't forget, culture is caught, not taught. You can't mandate it. You can't mandate buy-in. You earn the culture shift by doing it, not just talking about it. So let's bust a few lean myths. Lean is going to equal job cuts. No, lean adds value by removing frustration, not headcount. Lean's going to make more work. Lean should remove steps, errors, and interruption. It shouldn't be more work. Might be a little bit of work to find the problems and fix the problems, but on a day-to-day basis, lean should be your best friend. Lean only works for Toyota or manufacturers or auto manufacturers. No, lean works everywhere. It works at Etsy, at barbershops, bakeries, farms, and yeah, even in your garage. Lean is for people who give a damn. It belongs to the ones who say, why are we still doing it this way? If your team hates lean, it's not their fault. They've just seen the broken version. So here's how we fix it. Start with pain. Go to the shop floor. Fix one thing fast. Let someone own it and repeat it every week. This is how you build a lean culture. This is how you win trust. And this is how you stop doing dumb shit. That's lazy lean. Smarter, simpler, smoother. Now go fix something small. Today. Like right now. Like put the phone down and go fix something. One thing. Go find it. Go. Go!